the TSBDE Agreed Settlement Order. What is it and what are your options? Hello, I am Attorney Boyd Shepard. I am a lawyer in Houston, Texas. I provide legal services, representation, and counsel for Texas dentists and hygienists. Welcome. Thank you for watching the LegalDental.com YouTube channel. Please remember to click the red subscribe button just below, and please also click the notification bell to receive notifications when new LegalDental.com videos are uploaded. To learn how you can earn 1 free hour of State Board approved continuing education credit in the area of risk management from watching this video, please go to LegalDental.com or click the link in the description below. In this video, I'll be discussing the Texas State Board of Dental Examiners Agreed Settlement Order. What is it and what are your options? Question: will you need an attorney for help with an agreed settlement order? The answer will be given later on in this video. If you receive a proposed disciplinary action through an agreed settlement order from the TSBDE, this video will guide you through knowing what your options are and what to do next. To start, if you receive an agreed settlement order, you need to understand where you are on the case timeline. Agreed settlement orders are provided for in subsections 8 and 9 of TSBDE Rule 107-63, Informal Disposition and Mediation, which state as follows. 8. Board staff shall draft a proposed settlement agreement or remedial plan reflecting the settlement recommendations, which the licensee shall either accept or reject. To accept the settlement recommendations, the licensee must sign the proposed agreed settlement order or remedial plan and return it to the board. Inaction by the licensee shall constitute rejection. If the licensee rejects the proposed agreed settlement order or remedial plan, the matter shall be referred to the State Office of Administrative Hearings for a contested case hearing. 9. Following acceptance and execution of the proposed agreed settlement order or remedial plan by the licensee, said proposed order shall be submitted to the entire board for approval. To review the board rule. After a board case has gone through an informal settlement conference, and if the board has elected at the conclusion of that conference to issue some form of disciplinary action through a proposed board order known as an agreed settlement order, then the settlement of your board case can be an agreed resolution of the case, but only if you agree to the terms of the proposed settlement and then sign it and return it to the board for the purpose of going forward with the recommended compliance items. Therefore, the first step, which is the most important step, after your receipt and review of the board's proposed agreed settlement order, is for you to make the decision of whether to agree to the terms of the board order or not, as no two cases are the same. This decision is best made after consulting with your legal counsel to determine an analysis of the board's findings of fact made during the informal settlement conference as outlined in the proposed agreed settlement order and the balance of the strength of your defense relative to the allegations presented at the informal settlement conference versus the cost, time, and likelihood of success of taking the case to the next level at the State Office of Administrative Hearings. At the State Office of Administrative Hearings, an administrative law judge will hear your case. However, this judge only has the authority to issue a proposed order and does not have the authority to dismiss the case. Ultimately, the State Board of Dental Examiners has the final vote to decide the outcome of the case. In other words, even though you may take the case to a hearing before an administrative law judge at the State Office of Administrative Hearings, and although the administrative law judge may then agree with your defense and recommend to the board that the case be dismissed, the board can still vote to reject the administrative law judge's recommendation. You may find yourself with the same outcome as the original proposed settlement, or possibly with worse findings and terms. Therefore, there is a lot of cost and time involved to go to the State Office of Administrative Hearings that may not be fruitful. There are reasons and strategies for going to the State Office of Administrative Hearings level with a case, which makes this a very important decision to make with the advice of legal counsel. In all likelihood, the board has given you a very fair outcome that is appropriate to the nature of the allegations and findings in your case. In most cases, the original proposed settlement will be the best result you will receive in the matter, and the time and expense of going forward will not improve the outcome. Today's discussion in this video assumes you have made the decision to accept the proposed agreed settlement order. The second step. You must review the content of the proposed agreed settlement order, which will include the specific disciplinary action items ordered during your recent settlement conference. Assuming you have legal counsel, they will have already received and reviewed the proposed settlement order and will have sent you this document for your review. Do not blow off looking through this document. You need to understand it fully and make sure that it is accurate as to what the board stated verbally as the proposed agreement during the informal settlement conference. Although the time to act on the compliance items will come later, you need to understand what will be necessary for you to complete to comply with the order. Once you review the document fully and understand it, and you and your attorney have determined that there is no further items to negotiate with the board regarding your case, and that going on to the next step of the State Office of Administrative Hearings is not recommended. The third step is to sign the document and have your signature notarized indicating you are in agreement with this proposed agreed settlement order without further contest. The fourth step is return the signed and notarized document back to the board and then wait to receive the final document. This will occur after the next full board meeting, and the agreed settlement order will be final, which is indicated by board members' signatures. The fully signed board order will include instructions from the board's compliance officer for completing the disciplinary action items. The case has now entered the compliance phase, during which you will work to complete the items ordered within the agreed settlement order. This compliance phase of a board case has its own sequence of events that must be followed and is discussed in another video on this channel. I hope that you found this video to be helpful and educational. If you have any questions about this content, please comment below or feel free to contact me, Attorney Boyd Shepard, direct by email. And please check out the LegalDental.com website for more information, online courses, resources, and guides for legal and business issues that arise in dental practice. If you need assistance with any legal matter pertaining to the practice of dentistry and your dental license, there are 4 ways that I can assist you. First, subscribe to the LegalDental.com Law Library to gain access to numerous online courses, resources, and guides for legal and business issues that arise in dental practice. Second, subscribe to the LegalDental.com YouTube channel and hit the notification bell to make sure you are notified of all future videos that I produce. Third, click the link below for the More Details page and learn how you can gain access to my free course, How to Make Your Dental Records Complaint-Proof. And fourth, go to LegalDental.com to schedule an appointment for a consultation with me, Attorney Boyd Shepard. Use the promo code LegalDental to reduce the cost of your consultation by 50%. And don't forget, to learn how you can earn 1 free hour of state board approved continuing education credit in the area of risk management from watching this video, click the link in the description below. Thank you again for watching.